Hello bakery store owner, are you planning to start your own e-commerce or online ordering platform? Then please keep these 3 points in mind before entering into this business. I am Priyadharshini, the bakery ERP consultant and business manager in Bigdbiz Solutions Private Limited. So the first point to be kept in mind that if you're providing a photogenic cake option, please keep an option for your customers to upload a good quality image to be embedded on the cake. So please check the KB or MB, whatever it may be, the quality of the image should be reflected in the cake as well, right? The second point is that if you're providing any customized cake or anything like that, your software must have an option to mention the preparation time or hours to complete the process, so that your customers will not be waiting for your cake to be delivered. So for example, if you're providing customized cake for 4 hours of preparation time, please make sure that it is being mentioned in the cake nearby. The third point is that if you're having a chain of outlets and if you're also providing the option of pickup and delivery, so your customers are choosing a pickup option, then please make sure that you're providing the location of the stores is available in the particular city, so that your customers will be choosing from the nearby location for the pickup. And please make sure the OTP is working fine for email or SMS, and this is very important. And these are the 3 essential points to be kept in mind before starting an e-commerce for the bakery industry alone. So if you want to have a demo of the same features and customized module, then please do let us know. And my name is Priyadharshini. I'm signing off right now, and my contact and call number is 9123 515 998. Thank you.